garden. G-R-D-N. Garden. Well, there's some easy sounds in here. Let's see. I know that in English, the only way I can think of to make g is here. G. G. Okay. I'm going to wait on that one. Gard. Garden. Oh. So that's not that one. This one. D. Let's try it now. G. G-R-D. N. E. E. N. N. With this, it would be Gardon. You can make an N sound with an O-N, but it's not usually the way it is. So it looks more like a Gardon. I don't think that's what we want. If we did this, it would be Gardan. Again, you can make N, but usually not. Gardan. So I'm going to go with the most common one. You want to go with the most common one. What most of the time makes eh? There you go. Of course, it should be lowercase, but that's just finding letters. Sorry. So we've got g, r, d, n, d, n, den. So garden. Now we got to figure out this one. Okay. Now if it was O-R, which I don't have, it would be Gordon. Gordon, that's a name. Like Commissioner Gordon from Batman. Let's try this one. Gurdon. And actually, sometimes G when it comes next to an E makes Jordan. That's not it. Same with this one. Gurdon. Oh. Gurdon. Like I said earlier, Gordon. I think we're left with just one. R. Now I have to tell you, pretty much could have gone with that first because the only way I can think of in English to make R as a sound is AR. Like you'd use these three letters to make the word R, like you are a really good reader, okay? Or if I wanted to talk about, oh, I got some nice jam in a jar, right? So AR is pretty much it for making R. So here we have G-R-D-N, garden. It's a pretty easy one.